it's Vivian from Flex Machine Tools. I'm here today with Chad Siesbuttel from Kennametal, and we're going to be talking about the tooling that you'll find from Kennametal on the FlexCNC. So tell me more about the tooling that we'll find on the FlexCNC when it comes to Kennametal.
Well, Flex Tool uses a full breadth of portfolio from Kennametal, including the mill 114, the mill 118, the HPX high performance drills, and along with solid carbide end mills such as the Harvey TE.
Wow, that is a lot of tooling.
A lot of stock standard and full productivity.
That is amazing. The partnership with Kennametal is truly awesome that you guys have so much amazing tooling that works so well with the FlexCNC.
So we've had a partnership with Flex Tool starting in the original building for about 20 years. We've advanced in the relationship since then.
That is truly awesome. The partnership with Kennametal lasting over 20 years is really something for us to be proud of. We love working with you guys. You guys are truly an amazing company, and we're proud to run your guys' tooling on our equipment.
Well, we appreciate being a part of the partnership as well.
Well, I really appreciate your time today. Thank you for joining me.
Thank you.